The Mi Note 10 Lite will be launching tomorrow globally, a more affordable alternative of the Mi Note 10 camera beast. It will have a similar front panel, but only 4 shooters on the back, lined up vertically, along with 2 LED flashes. The event will be live-streamed for the global audience at 2000 GMT+8. Xiaomi was announcing a cheaper Mi Note 10 model that's called the Mi Note 10 Lite. It appears that the device will feature a 6.47 Full HD Plus curved OLED screen, and it runs on the same Snapdragon 730G as the standard Mi Note 10. It is speculated to come with a penta-camera setup consisting of a 64MP plus 8MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP array. However, from the teaser pic above, only 4 cameras are visible for the Mi Note 10 Lite. Although it is a light model, the device expected to come with a large 5260 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging. Interestingly, that the new devices would come in 3.5 new colors. Lastly, he also mentioned that the device would support 30W fast charging. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite displayed in 3 colors: white, black and a bluish purple color variant. On the other hand, the Mi Note 10 replaces the blue option with a slightly green shade variant. We will have to wait until tomorrow for an official confirmation on the specs, along with the price and availability details. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.